Alright, I finally got a drone, so I'm going to put it in the air for the first time. I actually bought it used on Amazon. Got a pretty good deal on it. It's a bit windy. It's not that windy. I'm nervous to see how this goes. I've wanted a drone for a really long time, so I'm really pumped to get this in the air. I'm pretty sick of missing out on all these fall colors. Going to try and find some vantage points is kind of a pain, so I figured this would probably be, I don't know, a little easier. So I got to open the DJI app here, turn this on, turn the controller on, made its cool DJI noise, classic. I think the control is on. Oh, you know what? I don't have an SD card in there. 1 second. Huh. Okay, got him.